Want to get the zero point 0.5 ultra wide camera on Snapchat for Android? Here's how you can get it. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure to update the application to the latest version. Now, on your camera screen, you want to look for different camera options on the right side. You can tap on this arrow option, and if you find the option of ultra wide camera icon, simply tap on it. If you cannot, then the next option is to use the pinch to zoom gesture on your camera screen. Simply pinch out to zoom, and you should see the zero point 0.5 option appear. Keep in mind that not all phones support 0.5x or ultra wide shots, so make sure your device's camera supports it. You can also check your phone's default camera app to confirm if it has a 0.5x or ultra wide option. And that's it. You can now take wide angle shots on Snapchat Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.